Did you know that Windows has a secret set it and forget it setting that automatically wipes away your temporary junk files? Most people delete these files manually, but you can actually automate the entire process through the group policy editor. So to get started, press Windows plus R all together on your keyboard and type gpedit.msc. and hit enter. Once the editor opens, look under the computer configuration and expand administrative templates and expand the click system. And now look for the storage sense. Double click on that and now click allow storage sense temporary files cleanup. Double click on that and here you need to make it enable and hit apply. Click OK. Now Windows will handle all the dirty work for you, automatically deleting junk files to keep your storage fresh and your PC running fast. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.